Arsenal 1, Southampton 1, Southampton 1, Arsenal 1. Another poor performance from Arsenal Football Club. Another poor performance, another poor display from the team. It is getting a bit frustrating at this point in time. It is so hard for Arsenal to muster a win. It is extremely hard for Arsenal Football Club to muster a win. And I do believe that at this point in time that Mikel Arteta has to take the blame for some of this. Because what we're seeing now is a team who is deflated, lacking in confidence, underperforming. And I do believe that the squad we have at this moment is no less than the team that we're playing at this moment in time. We have a better squad than majority of these teams that are beating us, and we're not seeing them perform at their optimum best. And as I can say, and as I will always say, that Mikel Arteta has to take the blame for this. I know that things up top in the above side of the club has to be fixed before we can see progress. But at this point in time, we have to see progress on the pitch. We have to see progress on the pitch at this moment. We're not seeing progress at the board level, but on the pitch, we have to see progress, because progress on the pitch can change a whole different vibe around the club just by winning games. And we're not winning games at this moment. And what we realize is that the team is finding every single different means of losing games. No, we've conceded so many red cards in such a short time span. These players are frustrated. They're fatigued. They're being mentally derailed. Mikel Arteta, what are you doing? What are you doing? What is the problem? Something is wrong. We've had the most red card since the beginning of the season. I cannot recall another team getting so much red card in the Premier League in such an early stage of the league. Nicolas Pepe, Granit Xhaka, Gabriel. My word. Something is wrong, and Arsenal Football Club have to fix up. We have to fix up, because at this point in time we know that there are issues that the club has, but on the pitch it must be sorted out like now. We're declining, and we're declining so fast at such a quick or steady rate. It is unbelievable. Mikel Arteta deployed a 4-2-3-1 formation. Basically, I would say it's a 4-4-2, where we had Maitland-Niles right back, Gabriel and Holding centre back pairing. On the left we have Kieran Tierney. On the right hand side, attacking right, we have Nicolas Pepe. On the left we have Bukayo Saka. On the double pivot of Dennis Ceballos and El Nini. Up front we have Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang and Eddie Nketiah to do the attacking work. Now, what we realize is that we were playing good in the first half for the first 5 minutes or so, but it was evident that we were being dominated by Southampton Football Club. And at this point in time, I do believe that something is wrong with how Arsenal is pressing. We're not pressing accurately. It's either we're off pressing or we're laid back. And I can see where Southampton Football Club, they exploit that. What you realize is that they overcrowd the midfield area. So some of the time you realize that Mohamed El Nini is alone in the midfield area, where you have 2 or 3 players covering him. We cannot play the ball through the middle, so we have to go either long on either flanks. And Mikel Arteta, these are some of the issues that I see on the pitch that has to be fixed. It is extremely frustrating for a fan to sit and watch a game like that. And these are the players that they're going to come out on social media, they're going to tweet that they're apologizing and they are so sorry and whatever. Come on, you guys have to put in a performance on the pitch for us as fans to accept it. The players are flustered. They're not concentrating. You as the manager, Mikel Arteta, these are things that you have to attack the psychological aspect of the players, because mentally these players are not there. You can see that they are mentally fragile. Anyways, another poor performance from Arsenal Football Club. Another draw. almost another defeat, and another red card in the bank. So we can say, okay, we put the losing aside now, but we have to also put the red cards aside. The referees are looking out for us. The slightest incident and they are definitely going to attack us. The slightest incident. And they're pouncing on on each opportunity that they got to give us a card. But I won't use that as an excuse because we were piss poor. We were extremely poor on the pitch. Something I saw Mikel Arteta did and I did not like it. How is it that we're 10 man down and we're losing the game and you pull a striker and add on a defender? You cannot pull a striker and add on a defender. We're already losing. There's nothing to salvage from that. I don't understand what is happening. I do not understand what is happening. And Mikel Arteta, you have to fix up. Go for the kill. You're already down. Go for the kill. And one of the things in the latter stage of the game, I realized we had no problem working without the ball. We weren't even trying to retain the ball. We weren't even trying to get the ball to try to do something. Even if we wanted to win that game, we wouldn't be able to win the game because we weren't even putting ourselves in the position to try to win the ball. We were okay sitting back and watching them attack us and getting battered by them. We were okay doing that. These players' mentality have to be sorted out. Mikel Arteta, as reports came out, now you have passed the 2-game margin. You have one more game left. You have one more game. The reports came out that you have 3 games to get it right, or else you have to go. 2 games are out of the way, you still haven't gotten it right. So you have one more game to get it right, and then I do believe that is it for you, Mikel Arteta. This is extremely frustrating, and as I said, I have no problem with certain things that's not happening at this point in time. The backroom staff have to fix up. We know that, but on the pitch at this moment, that has to fix up just the same. That has to fix before anything else. We know that it's the same set of players, but at the end of the day, Mikel Arteta, you're not getting the best out of these players. So we cannot depend on you to fix it. We cannot depend on you to fix what is happening on the pitch at this moment. And it's extremely frustrating. As fans, we are frustrated. And I think you are going well past. You're going well past your time span here. This is the same area or time when Unai Emery got sacked. And you're threading on that same line. You are on that same line. Well, thank you very much. This is Military Guna TV. I want to say, drop a like, please subscribe and share. Let the content go. And MGTV, I'm out.